I wish to most sincerely thank you for inviting the learners of Kenya to State Lodge Eldoret. This is a memorable event that shall forever be engraved in the minds of these learners. Your Excellency, as these learners trained and competed from the zonal level to the sub-county level all the way to the national level, top in their minds was to perform in State House before the head of state and the whole country. For those gathered here today, it is a dream come true. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Education, under your strategic leadership, has put the CBC agenda firmly back on track. There is a clear path arising out of the recommendations that were presented to you by the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms. These are some that are undergoing legal processes, but those that were operational in nature are being implemented to the letter. I'm glad to report to you that junior school has firmly taken root to the extent that at this gathering, Your Excellency, we've witnessed presentations by junior school as a standalone. The committee earmarked categories most specifically for junior school. Next year, we shall be having a full junior school, and the learners at that level will compete totally independently. This category of learners will be lucky since some will be charting the sports, science, and performing arts pathway, which is a direct product of the CBC. Your Excellency, sir, over the last 9 days, we had a total of 145,800 participants, broken down as follows. The preschool participants were 12,354. The primary school were 29,876. Junior school were 22,876. Secondary school were 43,256. The teacher training colleges were 13,965. TVETs came in at 8,987. Universities at 3,809, making a total of over 145,800. This increase, Your Excellency, in the numbers is attributable to the new entries by the junior school. The learners were comfortably accommodated in our learning institutions within Eldoret County. Your Excellency, I wish to appreciate the Sports and Social Development Fund for heeding your directive and fully supporting this co-curricular activity and other co-curricular activities in the Ministry of Education. This particular activity was fully funded by the Sports Fund. I also wish to thank other partners including Equity Bank, the KICD, the Communications Authority of Kenya, the Kenya Universities and Central Placement Services, COOPS, and all these other partners that made this happen. Your Excellency, Moi Girls and by extension Eldoret hosted this event and these students. And I therefore wish to also thank the governor for hosting this big event. Your Excellency, I wish to thank you for your continued support towards university education, especially, Your Excellency, in the implementation of the student-centered university funding model that is currently in its second year. I wish to confirm that we have implemented your directive that all universities release the new fee structure letters stipulating only the household contribution towards the total cost of the degree programs. Over 125,000 students have so far applied, and out of these, 100,080 specific letters have been issued to the students as of this afternoon. Your Excellency, those cover 6 universities, and we are on course to meet the deadline, which is in 2 or 3 days away. That is by the 19th of August 2024. Your Excellency, those who may have challenges with the band that they've been placed in has been provided a portal where they can put in their appeal, and our teams will deal with those concerns and respond to them as appropriate. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity now to congratulate all the performers and the winners, and also the people of Eldoret for gaining the city status yesterday. I thank you all, and God bless you, and God bless Kenya.